Hi, I'm Carla Murtaugh, and welcome to 48 East Ridge in the beautiful village of Ridgefield, Connecticut. Please join me as we take a tour of the iconic Tower Cottage. This prime location, high above the downtown, affords a lifestyle like no other. Reflecting the current owner's exquisite taste developed during years spent in Paris, the home has undergone extensive high-end renovations. High ceilings, impressive millwork, and an attention to detail are evident everywhere you look. The charm is impossible to reproduce, and the floor plan is excellent for entertaining. The beautiful marble kitchen flows effortlessly around the island, while refrigerators and extra storage are neatly tucked away. A pass-through makes conversation and casual dining easy, while the butler's pantry means staff can easily prepare and serve food and drinks during even the largest of parties. Couple that with the fact you can walk to everything our remarkable town has to offer, and it's no wonder Jackie Kennedy stayed here as a child while visiting her aunt. One of her rumored favorite chairs even conveys with the house. Most days are spent gathered in the breakfast room, which doubles as a homework area for the kids after school, or in the adjoining family room. For a more formal meal, the dining room is just around the corner. Tower Cottage takes its name from the turreted tower anchoring the home and consists of 3 rooms. The main floor library looks out over the covered wraparound porch, while the second floor's elegant master suite includes a wonderful dressing room with an additional cedar closet, which are unique to a home of this vintage. Finally, the 3rd floor study is a serene nook tucked away at the top of the home. The light in here would make this an incredible artist studio, and the views create a relaxing space for contemplation in every season. With a total of 6 spacious bedrooms and a series of updated baths, there's plenty of room for everyone to come and visit. And that's not all. The large porch caters to leaf peeping, people watching, barbecuing, and socializing year-round. And the pool is a private haven unto itself, enveloped in mature plantings and professional landscaping. Walk to the main street of Connecticut's #1 town and enjoy 5-star restaurants, boutique shopping, fitness centers, award-winning cultural amenities, and so much more. So what are you waiting for? Contact me to book your tour of Tower Cottage today, or go to carlamurtaugh.com for more information.